Sorry about that last part.
Something, ooh, nice cold metal. Important was needed to be.
That's a big piece of metal. I just now realized. And I think I was left off at 16, 17. That is way off. 18. And 19, even though it was... What happened? Actually supposed to be 21. So they say. Really now. Really now. Ay, ay, ay. Okay then. Oops, sorry about that. Yes, I do. See? I thought for a moment, do I still have the thing? And yeah, I still have that. Oh, screwdriver. Duh. Door. Duh. There we go, much better. Oops. There we go. This is going to be a fun time. Maybe, actually. I don't know.
Wait, it's already been 1 minute? Okay. Okay.
And I'm not sure if my voice is... Well, if the voice quality, I should have said, is any better. Or not. Or somehow worse. I'm not sure. It definitely shouldn't be worse because this is Apple. Is that correct? Oh, yes. Ooh, there we go. There we go. Found it out. You mean figured it out? Okay, so then, as I say... There we go. Very little movement, so I think it will do okay. Definitely not good. Definitely not bad, but it will do okay.
Is this accent getting its own?
Yes. Oh, it stopped moving. Okay. Yep, as I thought this did too. Oh, not quite yet. Oh, that's because, oh, that's right, of course, whoops. And actually, it did stop or not. No, it did, no. You know, let's do that later. Thinking, let's do that later. Yeah, got it. Third, square, not I guess to say. Square, not I guess to say. Again, square, not I guess to say. Is this still going on camera? Yes. Oh, and this is part 3 because of the interruption.
Even Apple doesn't have pause for the video.
Only Android does, and
I don't understand how Apple,
same as Amazon, they don't have
a pause for the video.
But yet, yes, but yet, Android does. And did you know that Amazon is actually fully based on an Android system? It's just very, very heavily modified. If you never knew that, now you know. Actually, NYK, that's right. And here's some way to sew accent. Oops.
Ah, cool. Anyways. Stop saying anyways. Okay. And talking to myself out loud again. If you're getting sick of that, just let me know and I'll stop, okay? Oh. Thought my kitty was in here. Nah. He's not in here. Okay. That's all I needed to know. Oh, really? Yes, really. Okay. Oh, yeah, this could have gotten tightened a bit more. Oh, now it's... Now the tightening has stopped. I was trying to say tighten in, not tighten. Yes, accent is still on camera. You know, they do say, is it cameras first? Not as the actual saying. Oh, wait. Oh, that's right. It would be like this. Lights. Camera. Accent. Because lights to get the whatever they're making. So this looks this looks so strange. I wonder, will this fit evenly? Ooh, just barely. Definitely will this way. Hold on. But not that way. And well, that's also too. Ah! Okay, that's something to note. This right here. Oops, where is it? Really? These two things are the same exact length from this end of this hole to that hole. And I can actually show you proof this way. Ay. Oh, this is going to... Oh no, this is in portrait mode again. Sorry! My fault. Really? There we go. Only if this had a flash. Oh, that's getting darker. Okay. Oh, wait, no, that's getting darker. I'm confused again. Anyways. Stop saying anyways. Okay, then. So now, see? Same length. And now, sorry if this is going to be too bright. It's possibly no. Now it goes back to default. Made out cool. So that's the part of putting this back together. Actually, hold on. One more thing. Yes. One more thing. My keys. This is actually more than a bundle, huh? Oh, sorry, hold on. Oh, wait. I can show you. Yeah, those are my keys. Oh, 99. And keys. Whoops. Feels like something. Hello, you fit in yet? One didn't go in. Some. Oh no! Sneaky. You're a sneaky kiki, eh? What? You make random things that still make no sense. I know.
Oh, that's my shadow. Sorry about that. Ooh, been 10 minutes. Okay. Wait, 2 minutes already passed by. Okay. Oh, 10. Hey, that's actually Tweety time. 10. Because of her feet. If you don't know Tweety Bird, maybe one of your parents may know, or maybe even if you have access to the internet, you can look Tweety up and you can spell her name this way. Tweety. Tweety. And now, ta-da! Zoom in. Oh, that's not as much as that was. Look at it all bold. And now, I didn't say the intro, did I? I don't think I did. Oh dear. But, oh no, I forgot one important part. Very important part. Aye. Wheel 2. There we go, that's wheel 1 to screw 1. Or something 1. And this is screw 2 or something 2. Whoops. Whoa, with wheel 2. And now it can move like that. Woo! Woo! Disco parties! Yeah. Anyways, stop saying anyways, okay? This has been Door, and I'll see ya later. Once again, sorry about the last video. And the door is closed. Now.